Top 5 Excel tricks from a CPA in 60 seconds. Number 1. Alt and equals. Need to sum a column? Don't type out the formula, just select the cell below your numbers, hit Alt and equals, and Excel drops in a sum for you. Press enter and you're done. Number 2. Double click to trace. You know how double clicking a cell puts you in edit mode? To change that, go to File, Options, Advanced, and Uncheck. Allow editing directly in cells. Now when you double click, Excel jumps straight to the source of the formula. Number 3. Ctrl Shift L. Select your data and hit Ctrl Shift L. Instant filters on every column. If you hit it again, it turns it off. No more clicking through the ribbon. Number 4. Alt Shift Right Arrow. Select some rows and press Alt Shift Right Arrow. It creates instant groupings. Alt Shift Left Arrow to ungroup. Perfect for collapsing sections in big workbooks. Number 5. F4 to lock references. Building a formula and need to lock a cell? Hit F4. It cycles through absolute and relative references. $signs without typing. I'm Christian with SwoleTax. Keep taxes simple, clean, and stress-free.